Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create Y2K posters on Higgsfield AI. So this is an example of what the Y2K posters look like. So once you click on it, you can see the Y2K posters here, and you can recreate similar pictures by clicking on anyone you want to recreate. And let me assume I want to create this. Just click on it and it brings you to a page like this where you can actually click on recreate, and you'll be brought to a page like this where you can actually edit the prompt of that particular image, and then click on generate. Now we have the high. This high area allows you to create the image with 2 credits, while the basic uses a credit for generation. You can also change the aspect ratio here, and modify your prompt. So once you modify your prompt and click on generate, you'll be you generate your image similar to what I have generated over time here. So once you're done, you can actually make it into a video or make it into a speech dialogue by clicking on the animate icon here, and you see the options to choose from. Then click on download to have your image, your video downloaded to your system. So let me know if you have any question concerning this particular image effects, and please subscribe to our channel as we are actively trying to grow. We'll see you guys.